Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph. Grab a cup of tea because today is potentially going to be a long one. Anyways, I'm gonna put my cup down and we'll jump into what we're doing. So, okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing a little bit of a Revolve haul. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this to you guys. You are gonna be sick of me. I'm going to Italy. I'm honestly so excited. The last couple years I have only gone to the States to see my boyfriend and my boyfriend's family and that sort of stuff. And my own family that lived in the States. I have not actually traveled abroad since before all of the lockdowns and everything. So I'm very excited. We are doing carry-on only. Wish me luck. But anyways, we're picking up some little bits and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna get. So today is a Revolve haul. A couple of pieces. I don't know if I've ordered everything I want to order from Revolve, but I thought I would start with kind of like high priority to low priority in ordering. I do definitely need to get some other things, but I don't know, I might be able to make it work. We'll see. Anyways, so I've got 3 different parcels and I don't know which is which. So I'm gonna just kind of open and go with it. I'm very sorry. That's why I think today might be a little bit long. It might more be long for me than it is for you guys. So I think it's gonna be kind of what it is. So here we go. This is the Tropic of Sea Rio bikini top in black and white. I got a size small. This is currently out of stock, I believe. But I got it for $98 and 60 cents. It's just a little bikini top that looks like this. It's got a little back. I got a size small. I actually hope that this fits the boobies. Not that I have a particularly large chest, but I just, you know, I don't know sometimes what people think. Anyways, I think it'll be fine. I'm usually small across everything. So I got this bikini top and, okay, if I'm lifting up things, I think the rest of this set is in here. Let's do this. Nope, that is my dress. Oh goodness. Okay, so the rest of the set is in here. Oh, it's a slightly different color. That's gonna bother me. Okay, so I got the matching skirt, which is the mini wrap skirt from Tropic of Sea. This is $185, definitely pricey. Size small, like always. It's just this like side tie wrap skirt. It is very basic. I'm sure you could do better than this. I just didn't have a ton of time and I also really liked how this looked. Thought it was a vibe. The Tropic of Sea stuff is made in Portugal. I do love that. And it does not give me a material breakdown. Okay, here. So it's 65% regenerated polyamide and 35% elastane. I think the regenerated polyamide is like a recycled plastic material. So I'm okay with that. I do like that it's made in Portugal. The reason being, not that there's anything wrong with made in China, but being made in a developed nation, in a Western nation, usually costs the brand more money, but it is kind of a slightly easier way to ensure that the labor is more ethical. Like you can be more certain that it's more ethical, but the quality's you know, there's different things. I used to be super well educated in this, now I'm not. I haven't been up on it in a while, but I do know that like the general rule of thumb is that the European manufacturing quality for clothing tends to be pretty bang on, and the cost of labor there is higher, so that's why the pieces are potentially a little bit more expensive. But yeah, anyways, small digression. The other thing I got is the Tommy bikini. This is from L Space because the matching bottoms were sold out, but the whites are different colors. I knew that this was going to be a thing. You can kind of tell. I don't think you'll actually be able to tell too much. I mean, this is a bright white and this is a off-white, but is it really gonna be a huge deal in photos and stuff? No. So anyways, this is obviously a different company, so the materials are different. This is 80% nylon and 20% spandex. It's a similar composition, but the nylon is definitely a little bit of a higher maintenance fabric. It feels like it's like those 90s swimsuits that when they lose their elasticity, they like crumble. Okay, anyways, this is $110.23. The color is black and cream. Obviously this is black and white. I don't think I'm really gonna do anything about the color. I would have loved to have gotten the matching Tropic of Sea stuff, but I think it's totally sold out because I think it's an older style. But anyways, it is what it is. Overall, I still am super happy with it. My thought also is that this is most of the time gonna be underneath this skirt, except for like sunbathing and stuff, but for like any photos, anything like that, yeah, it's gonna be, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal. I think if you're super pedantic about it, this is not the move, but it's fine for me. So that's kind of this swim set that I got. You guys, I think, can tell now that I'm very into swim sets, like having top, bottom, and then like a matching cover up or something. I just really like it. I like how cohesive it is and that it makes one outfit. The final thing that I got, I'm so excited about this. This dress. Okay, so this is kind of a Jacquemus La Robe, the really beautiful linen one. I forget the exact name of it, but the linen one that Gigi Hadid wore when she was pregnant, but we didn't know that she was pregnant, and she did the hair flip on the runway. This is sort of a dupe for that. Oh, it's this fabric. I was really hoping it was cotton. Okay, anyways, so this is a crepe dress, and it looks like absolutely nothing as I'm holding it up like this. So it's a cowl neck dress with a ton of crisscrossy backs, and it's sort of midi, and it's got a high-low, but it's got that like open back situation vibe that you can sort of see here, but not really. I'll pop it on anyways, but I'm just really excited for this dress. It's the Jaslina dress from Amanda Uprichard. It was $248. Originally, I got it on sale for $218. I believe this dress is currently on pre-order, so if you click the link that is in the pinned comment, you will be able to order it. I do use affiliate links, but if anything at Revolve is on pre-order, I don't make commission from it. It's just to help you easily navigate in a easy thing. But yeah, so you can order this dress. Let's see what it says. Actually, you can just add it to your bag. It doesn't even say that it's on pre-order. So you can definitely, yeah, you can just pick it up right now. Anyways, okay, never mind, it's not on pre-order. And that is it. That's everything I got. Okay, I'm gonna go pop all of this on and I will give you guys my initial thoughts on everything that I've got. Actually, okay, so this says that it's 60% rayon, 40% linen, and that the lining No, there's no way. Unless they sent me the wrong dress. No, I think they sent me the right dress. The problem is there's no like tags on this stuff, nor did it. Yep, okay, I think I got sent the right dress. Anyways, it on the website it says that the shell is linen blend. On the website it does look like it's a linen blend, but I don't know. I don't know. I honestly think it's 100% polyester, unless they sent me the wrong dress. It kind of looks like they sent me the Janet dress, not the Jaslina dress. Okay, let's see about this. Let's try it on and see what the length is. It does look a little short, but I don't know. Okay, well, let's try it on. Let's see. Okay, so this is the dress. I don't know if this is the right dress. It looks so weird compared to on the website. Like, it's, I don't know, like this for instance is like over here, but then like it doesn't stay over here, and then I guess maybe that's it, but like holy crap, this is so interesting. I'm definitely gonna talk to Revolve and see if I got sent the right one, because the other dress looks like there's like a seam here, and also, oh my gosh, this kind of looks really bad. There's so much extra material here, like it won't really sit properly. Like it looks like on the model it sits like, oh god, it's a bit sheer too. It looks like it sits better, but I don't know. I wanted to love it, but I might have to return it because it's just not doing it for me. I don't know. Okay, so this is the like Tropic of Sea set slash the L space. I have to say the L space bikini is a bit tight. It fits, but it's not like super comfy. Maybe I could have sized up to a medium, but the size chart was like, it was like small. I think it was like 24 to 26, and then medium it was like 28 to 29 or something, and I was like, that's not, my waist is a 25, it should fit me. Anyways, it's a bit tight. That's okay, I think it'll be fine. This is the skirt. It looks really cute. I'm not huge. I do wish that this was like a little bit tighter, but that's okay. It's giving what I want it to give. Very cute. The top fits. It's a little risky, but that's okay. I think it's honestly adorable, and I'm very excited for this. So we'll see. I think it's gonna be so cute at a beach club or something, and yeah, just a vibe. Anyways, that is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do believe Revolve did send me the wrong dress, so I'm gonna go sort that out, and if I get it replaced, it's great. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, so I know I said goodbye at the end of my haul, but I've just got the update. They're gonna resend me the correct item, hopefully. The weird thing is the like number that they gave me and then the number on the like package that arrived is the same, but it's different. So I'm really hoping that the next time I get the right dress, I hope this dress is also not, yeah, I'm hoping it's the right dress. It's just like there's like, anyways, like the dress that I got, it's a little bit longer. It has like an outside and then it's lined, and then it has a hidden zipper, and this dress doesn't have a hidden zipper. So as soon as that like came across, it was like, yeah, no, this is the wrong item. Anyways, hopefully I get the right item, fingers crossed. But I will keep you guys posted in the comments about whether I got the right item or not when it arrives. But okay, hey guys, sorry, this is like stuff to pack and everything behind me. So I received my replacement item. Fingers crossed that this is the right one. The reason my video is late today is because I'm literally filming this in real time. I'm gonna chuck it into my video and upload it. So I apologize for the not regular time situation. I'm so worried. I really hope this is the right one. This one looks correct. It feels correct, because remember I said that it's the right one. The one I wanted is like a linen blend. This one is a linen blend. It does have a seam here and it has a hidden zipper. Okay, let me pop this on. This is the dress. This is what I wanted. So you guys can see like the back here. It doesn't have all of the extra fabric, and it's a very subtle cowl neck. And then the slit, it's so much more conservative compared to the other one, but the slit is just seated so much better, like the way everything fits. Oh my god, yes, yes. Anyways, so this is the dress. I already kind of know where I want to wear this dress. I'm just, yeah, I'm gonna see. Anyways, okay, this is the dress. Anyways, thank you guys for dealing with me and this saga, and I will get this video out to you right now.